Alright folks, ooh, you gotta love that beautiful horn on Amtrak 14. This is Amtrak code Starlight, train number 14 at the Oakland Coliseum, passing by with a P42 DC leading off. Here it comes underneath the Hamburger overpass. Once again, this is Amtrak code Starlight, train number 14. Alright, B42 number 206, ALD 22311. Alright, that train is gone for the night and on its way to Seattle. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Gotta love that beautiful P42 horn sound on P42 number 206. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a good night. Bye-bye.